Welcome to my channel.
Welcome to our channel.
Happy birthday to Sam. Happy birthday to Sam. Happy birthday to Sam.
Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm making a special third birthday cake for my son. If you would like to make your own birthday cake at home, this video might be just right for you. No baking, no messy, just decorating. Watch the video to see how I make a dummy cake in the easiest way, so you can get the idea and try it yourself. Follow me step by step and you will be surprised how easy it's to make your child's birthday cake at home.
So then, why?
Don't miss the ending. When Sam finally sees his birthday cake, his face lights up and then he starts singing his happy birthday song.
Usually, it's something that moves.
Welcome to my channel.
As a mom, I feel so proud that I made my child's birthday cake with my own hands. And what makes it even better is having your little one help you along the way. But be careful, don't show them the final decoration too early. Save it for the big surprise. If you enjoy creating little things with love, don't forget to subscribe. Let's make more fun memories together.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he described by creating an imaginary picture. Usually, it's something that moves. So then, why?
The cake decoration and placement of the Paw Patrol prints are totally up to you.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he described by creating an imaginary picture. Usually, it's something that moves. So then, why?
Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Thank you for watching.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy fun ideas, tasty food, and creative activities we do together, this channel is made for you. Don't forget to subscribe.